Hey tech fans! Welcome back to the CPCW Live. Today we're diving into the all-new AMD Ryzen 9 50X 3D, a powerhouse CPU that claims to redefine gaming and productivity performance. Let's break down what makes this chip a true flagship. The 9950X 3D is essentially the Ryzen 9 9950X boosted with a whopping 64 megabytes of 3D V-cache. Although the extra cache is only enabled on one of its chiplets instead of both, this design decision makes sense given today's market and thermal constraints. Unlike previous generations that had to reduce clock speeds when adding 3D cache, the 9950X 3D maintains the same frequency as its non-3D counterpart. And the price? It's only about $50 more than the original 9950X, with a price at $699. Essentially paying a premium for that extra cache boost. Let's talk gaming. In tests across over 30 titles, from Counter-Strike 2 and Valorant to War Thunder and Dota 2, the 9950X 3D consistently delivers top-tier frame rates. For instance, in CS2 at 1080p low settings, it hit nearly 950 FPS, around 7% faster than the previous Ryzen 9 9800X 3D, 20% ahead of Intel's Core i9 14900K, and a massive 40% over the lower-end Intel competitor. Other titles such as League of Legends, Final Fantasy XIV, and World of Warcraft also show significant benefits from the extra 3D cache. Whether it's ensuring smoother gameplay at low FPS or boosting overall performance, the enhancements are clear, especially in competitive and online games. But it's not just about gaming. In productivity benchmarks like Cinebench R23 and R24, as well as rendering tests in VRAY, Corona, and Blender, the 9950X 3D shows solid multi-thread performance. It often edges out its non-3D sibling while keeping Intel's offerings at bay, proving it's a versatile tool for creators too. Under full load with unlocked power limits, the chip peaks at about 260W and stays around 83 degrees Celsius. Pretty impressive compared to Intel's often hotter designs. And for the overclockers out there, pushing it to 5.45 GHz on all cores is within reach, further boosting benchmarks in applications like Cinebench. However, not everything is perfect. Some testing revealed a scheduling hiccup, particularly in 3D Mark Time Spy, where frame scores were unexpectedly low until manually assigning CCD cores. It's a minor driver issue that AMD will likely optimize in future updates. All in all, the AMD Ryzen 9 9950X 3D cements its status as the top gaming processor available today. It brilliantly balances superior gaming performance with excellent productivity results, making it the go-to choice for enthusiasts who demand the best of both worlds. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and let us know your thoughts in the comments.